To set up Bill4Time Payroll integration, start by logging into your Bill4Time account and navigating to the Settings page. From there, select the Payroll option and click on the Integration tab. This is where you will connect your payroll system to Bill4Time. Next, choose your payroll provider from the list of available options. Bill4Time supports integration with several popular payroll systems, including QuickBooks and ADP. If your payroll provider is not listed, you may need to contact Bill4Time support for assistance. Once you have selected your payroll provider, you will be prompted to enter your login credentials. This will authorize Bill4Time to connect to your payroll system and retrieve the necessary data. Be sure to enter your credentials correctly, as incorrect information may prevent the integration from working properly. After authorizing the connection, you will need to map your Bill4Time accounts to your payroll system. This involves matching your Bill4Time accounts to the corresponding accounts in your payroll system. This step is crucial to ensure that your payroll data is accurately synced with Bill4Time. With the integration set up, you can begin to sync your payroll data with Bill4Time. This can be done manually or automatically, depending on your preferences. It is recommended to set up automatic syncing to ensure that your data remains up to date. To verify that the integration is working correctly, check your Bill4Time account to ensure that your payroll data is being synced accurately. You can do this by reviewing your reports and invoices to confirm that the data matches your payroll system. Best practices for setting up Bill4Time payroll integration include regularly reviewing your synced data to catch any errors or discrepancies, and contacting Bill4Time support if you encounter any issues with the integration. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully set up Bill4Time payroll integration and streamline your payroll processes.